iScooter was so friendly to send me over their higher entry-level electric scooter, the E9 Pro. As this is my first e-scooter and might be the first one for you too, I will show you a bit more about the unboxing. Besides the well-packaged scooter itself, it ships with a power brick and charging cable, localized for your country of course, and you have to assemble the handle of the steering wheel or steering bar yourself. The screws and tools for it come included together with the instructions manual, and in case of Germany also with the instructions on how to apply for the insurance for that vehicle. Assembling is quite easy and you just have to make sure to tighten the screws tightly, and that's it. And of course charging. The sole charging indicator is on the power brick itself, so if it shows red it is not charged yet, it is still charging, and wait until it is green for a full charge. Let's talk a little bit about the controls on the steering handle. In the center you can find the main display that shows you the speed when you are riding the scooter. It only has a center button that with a single press turns on and off the front lights, and a double press switches between the drive mode and the sports mode. Drive mode has a maximum of 10 km per hour and sports mode up to 20 km per hour. On the right you see the power lever, and on the left we have a front disc brake and a rear handbrake, as well as a little bell, turning on and off with a long press on the button. Riding the e-scooter is quite comfortable. The handle has a decent size, and by default the acceleration lever only works when you are gaining a little bit of speed and momentum already, so it's not like from zero starting off, which you can set up in a dedicated app if you want to do this. But I left it by default. The same goes for the drive mode. 10 km per hour for beginners is definitely something in the city, especially also the ideal driving condition, I would say. When you have a little bit of more space around, not so many people, then of course you want to switch to sports mode, but keep in mind that the range of the manufacturer is claiming 30 kilometers is definitely not going to be 30 kilometers when you're driving at 20 kilometers per hour. If you're driving with 10 kilometers per hour, then maybe you can reach it, but definitely something where I would say comfortably the 10 kilometer hour range is the one that I would like to stick with. So driving 5 kilometers in one direction and 5 kilometers back is definitely something that you can do with this vehicle. So you get a solidly built entry-level e-scooter with lights, 2 driving modes, a space for a license plate, and a good handle for steering, together with an entry-level smartphone app that allows you to control the device. It is a lot of fun driving it for sure, but keep in mind it's an entry level, so definitely you will find in a higher price region some that offer a little bit more features, like for example blinking lights for turning left or right, that in Germany again you have to show. And yeah, keeping your hand from the steering wheel, steering bar might be a little bit uncomfortable, so here is something that you have to keep in mind. And wear your helmet, protect yourself because falls and issues might occur. And when you're in Germany, definitely you have to have insurance for sure for your e-scooter. Otherwise, it is a pleasant ride on this e-scooter, and I can highly recommend the iScooter E9 Pro. And I will put a link down below to the manufacturer so you can get also your copy if you want to. It's, like I said, an entry-level device with a little bit of a larger battery, so definitely the 10 kilometers is something that you can reach with this e-scooter. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video and demonstration about the iScooter E9 Pro. If you have some questions, write them down in the comment section. That's it. Until the next time. Bye.